Yesterday, we had a media brief at the AG's office on matters regarding recovery at Kware dump site. So today, as I indicated to you yesterday, we gave ourselves around 21 days to do the job. Today, we are grateful to let you know that we have some discoveries in furtherance to that investigation. So further to our media brief yesterday regarding the murder cases reported at Kware, we wish to inform the members of the public that we have made good progress. Today, early this morning at around 1, we arrested the prime suspect named Collins Jumaisi Harucha. Yesterday we did recover one more body, bringing the total to 9 bodies recovered so far. The post-mortem examinations are happening today. We call upon any member of public with information that may aid the police in identifying the bodies or those who have cases of their missing persons to report to the DCI headquarters or the nearest police station. With respect to the very Kenyans who have lost their loved ones through this tragedy, we wish to give our reassurance that we are working tirelessly to conclude these investigations. We thank the members of the public who continue to assist us in the search process and continue to appeal to the public to remain calm and give officers space to handling the scene.